We're here at the bell tower. Yan. Yan, oh, diba? Ang ganda.
Just stand.
Dito. Kuha yung church. Jed, Mommy's buying some water, Lady's Choice, and Jed's protecting Mommy's credit card.
First.
We're at the end of our trip here in Vigan. So last look at the Cafe Leona restaurant, her statue here, and the Max restaurant there. Nakabukas ng mga bintana, oh.
Oo nga, nakabukas lang eh.
Oo.
Baka parang hindi
She's sleeping. She wants some air.
Picture pa.
Again? No, nilalagay nila yung mga damit nila.
Can you see the resemblance?
Literally no.
Well, she's got a face. You have a face.
So I've come to the conclusion.
Hoy, calm down. Hello, ko naman din ng bayana, eh. Say goodbye to your grandma.
So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able.
Oh wow.
Tapos sinirado yung simbahan. Aray ko!
To get out of this maze and run. Please
I'm
join
ready for
me.
that. Get in there, Jed. We didn't know that they serve outside. See that? That's pretty cool. Fancy.
I never told you, Pa, that the lady in Baguio where we stayed at,
Yeah.
you left, she was like, nasa na asawa mo? I was like, what?
I know, and then earlier, one guy's pottery.
Oh yeah, and then at the pottery, they
So
told
I've come to the
They're like singer.
I'm just one man
So we're heading back. Long day. Nanay, sipag, oh.
in this world. I love them, shut them through.